Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. Learn English, the place where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Josh.
Hi, Josh. Hi, everyone. I'm Emily, and I'm so happy to be here again.
Great to have you, Emily. How are you today?
I'm doing really well, thank you. I feel happy and ready for today's lesson. How about you?
I'm feeling great too. I'm excited because today's topic is super useful.
Oh, yes. It's something everyone needs when they start learning English.
That's right. But before we begin, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel and like this podcast.
Yes, and share it with your friends or classmates. It really helps us grow and reach more English learners.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. Okay, Emily, are you ready for today's topic?
I'm ready. What are we talking about today?
Today's topic is Tell Me About Yourself.
Ah, the famous question. People ask this all the time. In school, at work, or when you meet someone new.
Exactly. And sometimes it's hard to know what to say.
True. Even in your own language, it can be tricky.
So today we'll make it easy. We'll practice how to talk about yourself in clear, simple English.
Perfect, let's do it.
Okay, let's begin with the first thing. Your name. Emily, can you tell us how to introduce yourself?
Sure, you can say, my name is Emily. Or, I'm Emily.
Very good. And you can also spell your name if needed. For example, my name is Josh, Josh.
That's right. And it's polite to say, nice to meet you.
Exactly. Let's try it.
My name is Emily. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Emily.
That was easy.
Okay, next question. Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Wonderful. Vietnam is beautiful. I'm from England.
Oh, that's cool. Do you live in a big city?
No, I live in a small town near the sea. It's quiet and peaceful. What about you?
I live in a big city. It's busy and sometimes noisy, but I love the energy.
Nice. So you see, you can say, I'm from or I live in to talk about your place.
Yes, easy and useful for meeting new people.
Okay, Emily, let's talk about age. How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
Great. I'm 30 years old.
That's a good example. You can say, I'm 25 years old, or I'm 25. Both are fine.
Exactly. You can also say, my birthday is in May, or I was born in 1995.
Oh, that's helpful. So people can talk about their age or when they were born.
Let's move on. What do you do, Emily?
I'm a student.
And what do you study?
I study art. I love drawing and painting.
That sounds amazing. You're very creative.
Thank you. What about you, Josh?
I'm a teacher, an English teacher here on Mr. Learn English.
Of course. You teach English to help people speak with confidence.
That's right. You can say, I'm a teacher, or I'm a student, or maybe I work in a restaurant, I'm a nurse, or I'm a driver.
Yes, it's simple but important vocabulary.
Josh. Now, let's talk about family. Do you have any brothers or sisters, Emily?
Yes, I have one brother. His name is Tom.
Is he older or younger?
He's older. He's 28.
Nice. I have one sister. Her name is Sarah, and she's younger than me.
Oh, that's sweet. What does she do?
She studies music. She plays the piano.
Wow, a musician in the family.
Yes, she's very talented. What about your parents, Emily?
My mother is a teacher too. She teaches little children.
That's wonderful. Teaching is a big job.
And my father is a chef. He works in a restaurant and cooks delicious food.
Lucky you. I wish I had a chef at home.
The food is always amazing.
Let's move to a fun topic. Pets. Do you have a pet, Emily?
Yes, I do. I have a cat. Her name is Luna.
Luna. Beautiful name. What color is she?
She's black and white. She sleeps all day.
Sounds like a typical cat. I have a dog. His name is Max.
Oh, a dog person and a cat person. Perfect team.
True. Max is small, brown, and always happy.
I love that. Cats and dogs make life better.
Okay, now let's talk about things we like. Emily, what's your favorite food?
Oh, that's easy. Pasta. I love pasta with tomato sauce.
Yum, my favorite food is pizza.
Oh, I love pizza too. What kind do you like?
Vegetable pizza with tomato, onion, and green pepper.
That sounds delicious. I like pepperoni pizza.
Good choice. Okay, what about color? What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is green, like trees and grass.
Nice. Mine is blue, like the sky and the ocean.
Green and blue, nature colors.
Exactly. Now, favorite animals?
I think you already know. I love cats.
And I love dogs.
Of course.
So, what do you like to do in your free time?
I love painting, of course. I also like reading stories.
Oh, what kind of stories?
I like adventure stories. They make me imagine new worlds.
That's cool. I like listening to music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like old rock music, something relaxing but full of energy.
Nice. Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play soccer on weekends with my friends.
Oh, that's great. Exercise and fun together.
Exactly. What about movies?
I love watching movies. My favorite type is comedy. I like to laugh.
Me too. Laughter is the best.
And I also like animated movies. They're so colorful and creative.
Yes, I love animation. It's like art that moves. Okay, now let's talk about things we don't like.
Oh, interesting. Okay, Josh, what food don't you like?
Hmm, I don't like olives. The taste is too strong for me.
Really, I love olives.
We're different again. What about you?
I don't like spicy food. It's too hot for me.
I understand. I like a little spice, but not too much.
Same here. A little is fine, but not too hot.
Okay, what's something you don't like doing?
I don't like waking up early,
Same. I love to sleep.
and I don't like waiting in long lines.
Me neither. It's so boring.
Yes, we all feel the same.
So now, let's make a short example of a full introduction.
Okay, I'll try first. Hi, my name is Emily. I'm from Vietnam. I'm a student. I study art. I love painting, cats, and pasta. But I don't like waking up early.
That's perfect. Short, clear, and friendly.
Thanks. Your turn, Josh.
Hi, I'm Josh. I'm from England. I'm an English teacher. I love dogs, pizza, and music, but I don't like olives.
Great job, teacher.
Thank you.
So, listeners, you can make your own short introduction like that. Just use the same structure.
When you say, tell me about yourself, you don't need to tell everything.
Right. You can choose what to say. Maybe your name and country.
Or your job and hobby. It depends on the situation.
For example, in a class, you can say, my name is Emily. I'm from Vietnam. I want to learn English to travel.
Excellent example. And if you're meeting new friends, you can say, hi, I'm Josh. I like playing soccer and watching movies.
It's simple, friendly, and a great way to start a conversation.
Yes. And don't worry if your English isn't perfect. People will understand and be happy you tried.
Exactly. Just smile and speak slowly.
Confidence is more important than perfect grammar.
I love that. Speak from the heart.
So, Emily, today we learned a lot. Names, places, age, jobs, family, pets, hobbies, likes, dislikes, everything.
Yes, it's a complete tell me about yourself guide for beginners.
That's right. And now it's your turn, listeners.
Yes, we want to hear from you. Go to the comments and write a few sentences about yourself.
For example, my name is Anna. I'm from Brazil. I'm a student. I love dancing.
Or, I'm Tom. I'm from Japan. I'm a teacher. I like music and cats.
Perfect examples, simple and clear.
We'll read your comments and maybe share some in the next episode.
That would be fun. All right, everyone. Before we finish, let's do a short speaking practice together.
Yes, this is your time to speak with us. We'll say a sentence slowly.
And you repeat after us. Ready?
Let's start with introductions.
Repeat after me. My name is Josh.
My name is Emily.
Great. Now you say your name. Good job.
Next one. I'm from Vietnam.
Or, I'm from Brazil.
Say your country now. Excellent.
Let's try one more. I live in a big city.
Or, I live in a small town.
Perfect. Let's move to age.
Repeat after me. I'm 25 years old.
I'm 30 years old.
Say your age now. Nice work.
Okay, let's talk about your job or study.
Repeat after me. I'm a student.
I'm a teacher.
Or you can say, I work in a restaurant.
Great. Say your job now. Fantastic.
Now, let's practice family sentences.
Repeat after me. I have one brother.
I have one sister.
Or, I have two brothers and one sister.
Excellent. Family words are very useful.
Okay, now let's practice favorites. Things you like.
Repeat after me. My favorite food is pizza.
My favorite color is blue.
My favorite animal is a cat.
Good. Say your favorite things now. Great job.
Let's try hobbies now.
Repeat after me. I like reading books.
I like painting.
I like listening to music.
I like playing soccer.
Wonderful.
You're doing great, everyone. Let's finish with a short, full introduction.
Repeat after me, slowly. Hello, my name is Josh. I'm from England. I'm an English teacher. I like dogs and pizza.
Now, another example. Hi, my name is Emily. I'm from Vietnam. I'm a student. I love painting and cats.
Excellent. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and say your full introduction out loud.
Amazing work, everyone.
Yes, you did it. That's how you talk about yourself in English.
Remember, practice every day. Even 5 minutes helps.
Exactly. The more you speak, the easier it gets.
Thank you for practicing with us today.
And don't forget, you can listen again and repeat with us anytime.
Thank you all for listening to Mr. Learn English today.
Yes, thank you, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this podcast with your friends.
And keep practicing every day. A little English every day helps you get better.
That's right. I'm Josh,
I'm Emily.
and this is Mr. Learn English, helping you speak with confidence.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.